That was a test. Are you paying attention? It's the top 12 loudest sounds. Number 12, cracking your back. Number 11, the outro music at the end of Bob Ross episodes.
Happy painting. God bless.
Number 10, my dad when he eats chips. Number 9, bagpipes. Number 8, those industrial strength hand dryers. Number 7, my cat when she wants food. Number 6, warfare. Number 5, the bass in my neighbor's car stereo and he won't stop driving around playing dubstep. Number 4, marching bands. Number 3, knocking a shampoo bottle over in the shower. Number 2, the voices inside my head, they won't stop screaming! And finally, number 1, the big speakers.